Step 2. Learning about email accounts. It's very easy and useful to create email accounts to be associated with your domain, and to have an email account so that your website visitors can contact and interact with you. If you don't want any additional email accounts and want to use your current email for the purpose of these guides, that's fine, but follow along anyway so you know how to do it in case the need arises at a later time. To create an email account, click on the Email Accounts icon under the Mail section of cPanel. First, type the email address to be created in the Email field. If you manage more than one domain, make sure to select the appropriate domain from the pull-down menu. Type the password you'd like to use for your email account in the Password field. Then verify it in the Password Again field. You can click on the Password Generator link to have a strong password generated for you. If required, type the quota in the Mailbox Quota field. The quota defines how much hard drive space the account will be allowed to use. Click Create Account. Now that you have an email account created, we'd like to configure it with an email client. This feature automatically configures your email client to access your cPanel email addresses. An email client allows you to access your email account from an application on your computer. Outlook Express and Apple Mail are examples of email clients. To access this feature, click the More button corresponding to the appropriate email account. Please note, you must already have an email client installed on your computer in order to automatically configure it using cPanel. To configure your email account, select and download the appropriate configuration file from the list. Run the script to automatically configure a mail client for the selected address. When completed properly, your email client should open automatically and log into your email account. Please note, if you wish to use an email client that is not listed in the interface, you will need to manually configure it. For more information on how to manually configure an email client, please submit a support ticket. For those that would prefer to access their email via webmail over an email client, you can use the webmail function. Webmail allows you to access your email accounts through a web browser. The main advantage to checking your email via the web, rather than an email application on your computer, is that you can easily access your email account from any computer with an internet connection and a web browser. To use webmail, click the webmail icon, then click on Go to Webmail Login. Select a webmail application through which you wish to access your email. Click Enable Autoload to cause the webmail application to load by itself the next time you access this page. Complete the login fields on the following page to access your webmail. The email account will be opened through your browser. The webmail client will then retrieve all read and unread messages associated with your email account. You may also log into webmail without accessing cPanel by entering in https://yourdomain.com:2096 into your web browser. Once you provide your username and password, you will be able to select a webmail client. Now that we've created an email address, let's learn how to delete one. Make sure you're in the main email section of cPanel. Click the delete link corresponding to the account you wish to remove. Click delete to confirm that you wish to delete the email address. If you wish to keep the email address, click cancel.